In this video, I'm going to show you how to take the blank labels that I created and released today, upload them inside of Canva, and create your own amazing Halloween potions. Just for reference, these are the labels that I'm talking about. They are 15% off right now, and I'll leave this sale running until Sunday. As you can see, I uploaded a couple of them into Canva already, so you really can create your own Halloween labels. So sliding on over to Canva, we're gonna go to the top right hand corner and we're gonna go to create a design. We're gonna do a custom design. We're gonna change this to inches and go 6 by 6. And now we're gonna go ahead and import the blank labels. In order to import the blank labels, you go to the left-hand side, go to uploads, and you can either upload the files here, or you can actually just drag and drop them into the document itself. Now I did design these on a 6 by 6, so you guys will be able to increase the size of these without losing quality. So now that our labels are inside of Canva, we're going to go to the left hand side and go to elements, and I'm just going to start searching up different clip art. I'm going to go for a snake first because I really want a snake venom kind of potion. Now I have the pro account, so that means I have access to everything that they have to offer, but if you want to sort through the designs and see only the things that are available on the free account, you can do that by selecting these little radio buttons up here. And we're going to scroll down to free and apply the filters. This will show you everything that you can download right now. And sped up version coming in 3, 2, 1. It is that easy to create your own potions inside of Canva using these blank labels. And if you end up making your own potions using these labels, please find me on social media and share those things. I would absolutely love to see what it is that you guys are creating. And if you're looking for more cool things to do inside of Canva, be sure to check out this playlist here. And until next time, crafters.